Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gurukulam. Hope everyone is doing great and staying safe. So today we will discuss for LICAAO section English paper. So here for practice test 1 we will provide you more in next sessions. So let's start this practice test first part. Direction. The first segment is fixed. Rearrange the other segments to form a coherent statement, that is a complete meaningful statement you have to make. Okay, so in question number 1, in a nation of billion plus, this is your first segment and that is fixed. Okay, is often seen as a surefire way to prosperity and an acute shortage of qualified doctors. Third part is getting a seat at a medical college. And fourth part is people with woefully inadequate access to healthcare. So these are very simple sentences, and in last part the word woefully means to express sorrow. Okay, so let's see, in a nation of billion plus, in a nation of billion plus people, right? In a nation where people are billion plus, so you can, as you can see, people is there in the fourth part. Also guys, first you should see your all the options given, like SP, each and every from A to D, each option starts from S. So it is pretty much clear that your answer will be start from S. Okay, so let's take S first. In a nation of billion plus people with woefully inadequate access to health care. Okay, inadequate access to health care. Now health care and an acute shortage of qualified doctors. So we have inadequate access to health care and shortage of qualified doctors. So SQ completes the fixed part, that in a billion plus nation people have inadequate access to health care and there is acute shortage of qualified doctors. Thus SQ will follow fixed part. This much is correct. Now let's have option SQ. Where is SQ? In C part. So we will follow this C part. Next is R. Let's have R. People with woefully inadequate access to healthcare and an acute shortage of qualified doctors getting a seat at a medical college. P part is often seen as a surefire way to prosperity. So our answer is C part. C is correct part. So here, thus, as R must come after Q to make a meaningful statement which states that getting a seat in a medical college is seen as a prosperity for a nation. Okay, hence the correct sequence will be SQRP. Your answer is C. So guys, question number 2, managing the electricity needs of a country that is already dealing with water scarcity will be a challenge. So first let's have a look on our options. Here in options we have Q and S as first part. Okay, so let's start with that only. Managing the electricity that is already dealing. So managing the electricity that is already dealing doesn't make any sense. Okay, so let's have another option S. Managing the electricity will be a challenge. Okay, will be a challenge. Then we have option, this option is in B and D. SP, RQ, or S R P Q. So next is next is either P or R. So let's have will be a challenge, needs of a country. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, so we will have D option. R will be a challenge with water scarcity, with water scarcity. Then P, needs of a country, again doesn't make any sense. So here all the given options are not correct in grammatical point of view. So let's make a sentence. Managing the electricity needs of a country. So country, that is already dealing. This P follows by Q. Okay. Then what dealing? That is already dealing what? With water scarcity. Okay. Will be a challenge. So PQRS is your correct answer, which is not given in your option. So your answer is E. None. None of the above. Now move to question number 3. Disqualification from contest to keep those convicted by criminal courts is a civil disability created by electoral law from entering elected offices. So first we will have our option. Okay, this is option in which we are having first part S, Q, R. So we will start with that only. The statement explain the characteristic origin and purpose of the disqualification from contest, right? Here the sentence explain the characteristic, origin and purpose, okay, of the disqualification from contest. So let's start with first S, from entering elected offices. So we cannot start from here, right? So another option is Q, disqualification from contest is a civil disability. So this makes sense, right? So we will start with Q, but from Q we have two options, QR, QP. So let's see, is a civil disability, okay. Q, which states nature of disqualification, will follow the fixed part. Now R, which states that this disability has been created by electoral law, will follow Q. As you can see, disqualification from contest is a civil disability created by whom? Electoral law. So basically guys, here Q, which states nature of disqualification, will follow the fixed part, and then R, which states that this disability has been created by electoral law, will follow Q. Now PS states purpose of disqualification, and here in option B we are having QRPS. So our answer is B. Let's move to question number 4. While there is no denying that it is important that you recognize the sign of stress in your behavior, the world loves a winner, and be healthy enough to enjoy your success. So guys, first I want to tell you that read question very carefully. Let's see, let's start reading question again. While there is no denying that, comma, it is important that you. So as we can see in P part, sentence start from comma. So it is pretty much clear that after the phrase there is no denying that, we cannot have this comma. Okay. Also, we cannot have the S part, and. After the phrase there is no denying that. Okay. So we are left with option Q and R. So first let's have a look in options. Okay, these are some options: RPQS, QRPS, PQSR, QSPR, none of the above. So as we can see, it starts either from P, Q and R. So P and S we cannot use P and S, so we are left with Q and R, correct? So now as you can see, R, which is the world loves a winner. So there is no denying that the world loves a winner. Okay, so this best fit as it is the meaningful explanation. Following R will be here P, as P start with a comma and it states what it is important. Okay, so while there is no denying that the world loves a winner, it is important that you recognize the sign of stress in your behavior and be healthy enough to enjoy your success. Again, one thing to be noted is where we use and. And is used when two things, that is before a word before and word after and, are somehow similar or equal. Okay, so here recognize the sign of stress in your behavior and health. Okay, we are talking about behavior, health, stress. So here we can use and. So our option A is correct. Okay, this is because we cannot have and after you where the sentence P is pending, right? So S states what else is more important. So the answer is RPQS. Next, question number 5. Government subsidize in the expectation of in the new hotels and restaurants tourism project, increasing employment opportunities. So let's have option. In option we can see we have in first part P, R, Q, or we can have none of the above, right? So here if we start from P, government subsidize in the expectation of, it will be incorrect as we need to mention what would government subsidize. So here we can see R, tourism project. So government subsidize tourism project. Okay, so first is Q, first is R, right? And in option C we are having R, and after R we are having P, in the expectation of. So guys, P and Q are starting with in, which would make the sentence grammatically incorrect and make no sense if we start the sentence by them, right? So R will be followed by P as it start the sentence for giving the reason why are the tourism project being subsidized. Okay, so here government subsidized tourist project in the expectation of what? In the expectation of what? Increasing employment opportunities, right? Where? In the new hotels and restaurant. Also we cannot have in after of as in sentence Q. So S will be followed by P and at last Q. Hence answer is RPSQ. Your answer is C. Next, direction. So guys, this is second part of our video. Fill up the blanks. Here you will be provided with a sentence. Each you have two blank. Okay, each blank indicating that something has been omitted. So you have to choose the pair of words that best fits in the sentence. So let's have a question. To protect his interest, the producer must have very clearly dash in the agreement that the film should be an exact dash of the original with minor variation. Okay, so let's have option. So we have 5 options, okay, among which one is your correct. So first thing, to highlight something or to give summary of something is to outline. Okay, here the producer clearly summarized in the agreement that the film should be an exact, what, an exact remake of original one, right, with minute changes. Minor variation means minute changes, minor change. Okay, so and the word variations clearly states the use of remake. Okay, that you have to remake the movie, okay, which already made, right? So in the preceding part of the sentence, so your answer is C. Other options like facsimile, imitated and miniature either carry different meaning or are out of context. So hence option C is correct response. Next, it's all about playing patiently in the first hour as the wicket is dash to dash fast bowlers. But thereafter, as the sun comes out shining, so do the batsmen. So let's have options. So here among 5, one option is correct. So the context of the sentence talks about the technique of playing and explains further that if the game is played with patience, the wicket is what? The wicket is expected to help or assist fast bowlers, right? Thus the pair expected assist is the best suited alternative that should be chosen to fill up the blanks. Word like found, evolved and remained seem to be fit grammatically but not contextually. Also, words like move, push, suggested for the second blank can't fit contextually. Hence, option B is correct response. Next question is, if we have a data of the fecal metabolites, we can compare how it changes during some metabolic dash, and this can serve as simple dash. Okay, so here let's first have options. So now out of the 4 alternatives, option B and option D seem to be confusing, right? Because both seem to fit into the blanks, correct? Now however, option B will get eliminated as it will lead to the repetition because of the use of word changes in the preceding part of the blank. Now hence we would choose option D over B to be the best suited. Option C will be rejected because blueprint won't make any contextual sense in the second blank. So your answer is D. Okay, disorder, metabolic disorder or metabolic changes is also correct, but here what I am telling you that B will get eliminated as it will lead to the repetition, right? Because of the use of the word changes. Already in this second line you can see changes is used. If we have a data of the fecal metabolites, we can compare how it changes during some metabolic change. We cannot use here. So best fit word is disorder, metabolic disorders, right? And this can serve as simple signatures. Okay, so your answer is D. Next question is, Hafiz says that it told a dash story of how although mermaids are present in stories and spoken of with dash, they actually don't exist. So let's have options. So among these, one is correct, right? So the word poignant in first option means evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. So by reading the context following the first blank, it can be inferred that Hafiz is trying others to know the reality that mermaids actually don't exist. Okay? So here, since it's all about the story, all the words that have been suggested can fit into the blank grammatically, but not contextually. Thus, option C and D can be eliminated. Okay? Also, the second blank calls for the use of a noun rather than a verb. Hence, option A is best suited response. Hafiz says that it told a poignant story of how, although mermaids are present in stories and spoken of with wonder, they actually don't exist. Your answer is A. Next. So this is our last question. The government's dash to privatize the national carrier came a cropper last summer when no private player came forward to dash interest after the government floated a tender for AI's disinvestment. So first let's have options. Option A is confirm indication, B is raise real, C is hear smart, D is attempt events, and E is none of the above. Since the word governments easily indicates that the word that fill up the first blank should be a noun, option A, B and C can be easily eliminated. Thus, option D will be the correct alternative, since the word for first blank, that is attempt, makes contextually sense here. Now, hence option D is the most suited response. The government's attempt to privatize the national carrier came a cropper last summer when no private player came forward to evince interest after the government floated a tender for AI's disinvestment. So your answer is D. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our video. And in next session we will have more videos, okay, for your exam. Okay, we will discuss various mock tests, okay, and we will have more sessions. And till then, take care, and please do like, share and subscribe our page. Thank you.